Hi guys, today I will show you how to make contour landscape in Blender. So the first thing, I just create a new file and I delete this box. I add mask blend and resize to maybe around 120. No, it's too large. 50. Okay, this looks good. Then we set to edit mode and click right, subdivide the number of cuts. You can set randomly. I will set to 120. Yeah, it looks good. Then we set to sculpt mode and select this tool, set the radius maybe a little larger. Okay, we set the strength and you can start to contour the plane base. As you can see, there is contour getting higher, and if you would like to decrease the higher contour, maybe you can press Ctrl. As you can see, the contour seems like a little rough, so you can press Shift and make it smoothly. And here we go. Simple and easy.